Today we're having two ceremonies, but even though we're having two ceremonies, there is one covenant. Earlier today, Carsen and Oaklee were married in the temple of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, a sacred place that we consider the house of the Lord. Inside, they made sacred promises or covenants with each other and with God. The temples represents the internal side of marriage, the side that connects heaven and earth, and this ring ceremony represents the family side, laughter, the hugs, the tears, and all of us that gather together to celebrate Carsen and Oaklee. This is one of those surreal moments where you hope you've raised your kid right and grow into good people, kind, honest, and hardworking. And next thing you know, they're standing in front of you in a suit, holding this beautiful girl's hands, willing to and ready to graduate to marriage. The Bible teaches in Ephesians, husbands, love your wives. Love in marriage can be deeper and more selfless than any other relationship. It is this type of love that Jesus expects of his followers, and it is the virtue that couples need the most. Carsen has always had a mix of determination and heart as we learned last night. Whether he's getting better at sports, school subjects, figuring out how to get that first date with Oaklee, he's all in and never halfway. And Oaklee, you've brought out the best in him. You balance him, you calm him, you light up his world. And from the first time we saw you two together, it was obvious that this was something special. I think I can speak for all of your parents. As I stand here, we couldn't be more proud for you and more pleased for the two of you. You started this journey the right way, having Christ at the center of your relationship, surrounded by family that loves you, filled with love and selflessness toward one another.